Hello guys, welcome back to our new video, and in this video we are going to cover another new topic of this week in GHL, and that is regarding the voice boards, the phone numbers, the phone system, and much more inside Go High level. So basically, if we start from basic, then every business requires a phone number, a professional and official phone number for his company, so that if any customer or if any dealing happen, then that phone number can be used. So here we are going to set up a professional and official phone number for our business inside Go High level, and that phone number will be used for inbound calling, for outbound calling, for SMS, and everything inside Go High level. Okay, so for that, first of all, we have to buy a phone number inside Go High level, and yes, GHL provides us a service from where we can buy a phone number, and then we can officially use that phone number in our business. So here what we are going to do is that first of all we will buy a phone number, we will configure it, and then we will use it inside our calling bots. Yes, okay. So let's move towards our GSL screen and let me show you that how we are going to cover all this. Okay guys, so now we are inside Go High level, and here first of all we need to buy a number. For that you will simply move inside settings, and inside settings you will simply click on phone system. After clicking on it, you will get an interface like this, and here you will add a new number. And here different options, but I will simply click on first option to add a phone number, and here I need to select a country for what I'm finding a number. After that, first of all, you have to focus that you have to select that number that actually allows you the features of voice call, SMSs, and MMS. Okay, so MMS is not important, I think, but you need to select that number that simply that provides you these both features. Okay, because mostly numbers provides only one feature, for example SMS or whether a call. After selecting that number, you will simply proceed to buy. And actually I already buy a number, so I don't want to get $1.5 from my account, so simply I'm not selecting any number or proceed with the payment. After that, for example, I selected this number and I buy this number, so here I need to configure it. Okay, for that you will simply write a name for this number, and here you can see currently the first priority is assigned to Jessica, which is an AI. Okay, and but we can edit it by simply click on edit, and we can edit it on by another way as well, but let's check that what we will get from this. Priority means that if somebody calls us, okay, then who will pick the call first? Okay, so if the priority one is set to the bot calling bot, then the bot that we set it up will attend the call. And here is the bot, you can see voice AI, which is named as Jessica, as you can see. So that will actually attend the call and make conversation with the client. But if the first priority is any of your team member, then it will actually passes the call to that team member, and after that that team member will pick the call. Here you can see the call recordings. If you can enable it, it will record your call, but here it will charge you extra maybe. I didn't know much, but it will cost you if you if you enable the call recordings. Okay, you can better check on your own as well. So here is the first priority. So okay, so here you can see that team members as well. So this is the second priority, that if the bot has some problem, then the call will get forward to the team member, and you can select the team member. Currently, let's see that I selected myself. Okay, for this number, but let me select this Hassan. For on the second priority, that if the bot has some problem, then Hassan mobile will get ring if somebody calls us. Okay, after that, here is an external number that we can add on the priority basis as well. After that, if I want to ring multiple mobiles, means if some team member is busy as well, then we can add other team members from here as well. Then incoming call timeout, that it will ring for 20 seconds and then it will time it out. And currently, as you know, that our voice has been set it up, so this is as a backup. After that, if we move to advanced settings, so what if we don't want to add a bot, or we don't want to someone to communicate with the client, so we will simply add a whisper message here. So what will happen that if somebody calls us, it will simply deliver this message and then calls get cut. Okay, so this is what all the basic details of call settings. Okay, and after that, let me show you one more thing that I want to add up here is, okay, we were here, configure settings, call forwarding. Okay, team member. Okay, I actually want to remove this team member. Okay, everything is set it up. Yes, perfect. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is to show you that how you can create your own bots and how you can connect your calling bot with this number. For that, you simply move to the AI agents, and inside agents you have to move inside voice AI. And inside this voice AI, you need to select your calling bot that you created to attend the calls. Okay. For that, you will simply click on inbound and then agent settings, and then you can select any of this. You can say agent created. So for that, you can create new agent as well. But currently, I'm not creating a new agent because we have a full week on this AI agents folder, and you can learn this from there as well. Okay, now for example, let me select this one, seller AI agent, and let me connect my that number here. Okay, you can simply move to the phone and availability, and here you can select the phone numbers. Okay, here you can select the phone numbers that are available, and with that, the most important thing before doing all this, the most important thing, I'm again saying the most important thing is 10 DLC verification. Because with that you need to send SMS, with that you need to make an outbound calls, with that you need to make outbound calls, inbound and outbound. Okay, so for that you need, where is the phone system? Yes, here it is. For that you need 10 DLC settings. Without that settings or without that verification, you can't send SMS, you can't make a call, you can't attend a call. Here you can see it is actually showing you your 10 DLC is incomplete or failed and you have to register it. Okay, so you must did this first. Okay, after that, let's move to the automation and let me show you that how we can use LC phone system inside our automations. For that, I will create a new automation for you guys, and let me show you how you will use it as an expert. I will simply move inside this test folder and simply create an automation from the scratch. And I will simply add triggers or multiple triggers that actually leads towards a correct and an efficient results. Okay, you can see test LC system. Simply click on trigger, and here you can add triggers like all details. Okay, but another thing is what that called, line busy or trigger like that. Okay, let us find from the list. Form submitted, click on link, quiz funnels, appointment bookings, affiliated, category, product, payment, coupon. Okay, what is that? Start an IVR. Okay, let me check that as what that called is actually no answer. Okay, here you can see that we will simply go to call details. Call details, call status can be busy, cancelled, no answer, or these all can be the triggers. Okay, so if we call the customer, okay, sorry for that, let me fix it first. Okay, so if the customer called you, but your line is busy, or your line is not available, or the call has been cancelled, this workflow will get triggered. Okay, and after that, we need to send an internal notification that a customer called us, or if I go to incoming, I think that filter is right here inside this call details. Okay, add a filter. Call direction, yes, call direction is incoming. And what other filters are available here? Custom in phone number. So we can select a phone number from here. Okay. So these are all details are mandatory and you have to add this. Okay. After that, we need to send an internal notification to our team that somebody calls us, but what happened is that the bot is not available, the bot is not able to attend the call, then second priority hits. But if second priority even is not available, then this workflow will get hit and it will tell, okay, we need to, yes, confirm internal notification. Select type should be email. From Auxth Digital Media, from email can be info, and user type can be assigned users, and simply uh, call there but not able to attend. And here we can simply paste the contact and his number. Okay, so you can edit this email as well, but now just for test I'm just telling you that how we are going to set up LC phone number. Okay, missed call, and this is a short workflow for this. So this is all for LC phone number. Again, I'm repeating, first of all you need to buy a number, and then you must have to verify 10 DLC setup. Okay, and after that you can use it to send an SMS, to send to make a call, to attend a call, to make call bots. So this is all from my side for LC phone number, and if you have any problem you can leave your comment in the comment box. Let's meet in our next video. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.